Ready for round 2?
Yeah, we're good then. Kit up with some of this.
Which paper are you using?
120.
120 grit.
And a cork block.
Nice.
I drilled a hole in it to use it as my keyring so I wouldn't lose it, you know, in the harbour.
Oh yeah?
But it was pretty chunky.
That's a big keyring.
Yeah, no, definitely won't lose it then.
While Stu gets the bilge ready for the second coat, I'm gonna just get the door and that last wall in the aft cabin ready to paint. So once we paint the bilge, I'll get some paint on that as well. Stuart is on the brush this time and I'm on the roller.
We're nearly through the second coat. Probably need a few more. Couple more. We'll see how we get on after the third. But it's looking pretty good. So hopefully we can pull it all together with the third coat. Cover it up and forget about it.
It's a shame that it's gonna look so good. Can you hold that? And it's gonna be covered. After all the work.
This stuff smells pretty toxic. Next major job to do on the boat is probably half of this bulkhead could do with being replaced. There, it's good. Let's just tape. Yeah, so maybe just come up about a foot off the floor on the bulkhead. So I'm just going to whip off the Victron, so when we're building the bulkhead we can also do the screw holes like we have done on the other bulkhead and prep that. So we've got 3 last ribs to do, and hopefully in the next couple of weeks we can get those in. So yeah, just got to take a step back, quickly whip off the Victron, prep the wall, then I can put it all back. Might even sling some paint on it as soon as we have it. Yay!
We just emptied this area here. There was a box for the shower, which is right there. And it's the first time we have a proper look down here. And all this looks pretty good. For the shaft, looks very solid. There's no cracks. Yeah, it doesn't look bad at all.
What do you think? Beef it up a bit?
Yeah, we can like grind around just to see under the paint. We might find something. And then, yeah, maybe fiberglass a little bit just to strengthen it, just in case. But yeah, here is the end of our nightmare. We've got 1, 2, and down here a very little rib. These are the 3 last ones, and we're about to start digging and see how we're gonna rebuild this. That one is part of the engine room wall. That wall over there.
The only area on the boat that we actually want to modify. So there won't be a sink in here, there will just be a shower.
No toilet?
No, toilet's gone. It's crazy just to have the skin fit, the plumbing for the toilet, the pipes, blah blah blah, not even a holding tank. You're looking at €500. It's quite a lot, and to be honest I think it's good if we don't go to the toilet at the same time.
Yeah, we're just 2. We're okay with just 1.
We got a bathroom cabinet.
Yeah, I don't know what you guys think. Stu keeps saying that he likes it.
I do, but
because it's thick and it's nice, it's got a mirror. But I think it's one of those things that is a bit useless because you can't really fit much in it. And it's a bit bulky.
yeah.
Plus, look at the mirror. Look at yourselves, people. It's not very polished.
Alright, pop it outside, we'll put it by the, yeah, it's seen better days.
We think about it.
We'll put it in the maybe pile.
Look at that spider web.
Oh, dusty.
It's like a proper Halloween spider web. Hoppa! These are the hydraulic pipes for the steering that we don't want to touch yet. They're probably full of hydraulic fluid. I'm gonna take a whole row of screws here that we believe is holding the countertop in the head.
So much part that wood.
Yeah, rotten.
Was only to hold up the flooring and the shelving in that side.
Yeah, it's just like a little, how you call it?
Shelf.
No, like
Wedge.
a wedge. That's the word I was looking for. Where's gone? Look at that. Ah!
Nice one. Professional. The other one too, yeah.
Okay. Rubbish.
Let's see if I get them all in. Near enough.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
I wonder how they even got those cable ties on there.
No idea. Oh god. Being in this position is so painful.
The longer we work, the sooner it's over. Sometimes they hide these little ones.
What?
I got one down here that is being really stubborn.
God. As you know, we're pretty chaotic working, and suddenly we're doing something else, just trying out something that Stuart thought about recently.
I've had this tank, I bought it off a friend, you know, new second hand, and I was in two minds. 25 litre tank for your business.
For your poop.
I didn't know where to put it, and we found a really simple way how to plumb it in. Actually, our friend did it, so we're going to probably copy him. So it's inline as opposed to separate, so no Y valve selector.
So all you do in the toilet will go through the tank. If you want to accumulate it in the tank, you just close the seacock. But if not, it'll just always be going through. I don't know if anyone watching has seen or used this system. If you have, it'll be handy to know your opinion on how it works. But yeah, the initial plan for that tank was putting it under this sofa.
Which we don't really like.
Yeah, Stuart was like, I don't want to have poop in my saloon. So we thought maybe under the sink, because the thing is we're gonna change that and we're gonna put a
surface mount
sink. So it's not gonna be
where the waste.
Yeah, but we can figure out and we can raise this countertop a little bit so there's a bit more space.
Anti-siphon will have to go up there. Hopefully we can fit that in. Oh yeah, plenty of space.
Yeah, we'll put it through there
So,
and put an anti-siphon somewhere in the cupboard.
The only thing is, I don't want the vent for anything. Say the vents for the tanks, the vent for this, the vent for the fuel tank. I don't want any of those on the hull. I want them on the coach house. So worst case scenario, we might have to run this vent all the way to the engine room.
I think if you run it all the way to the engine room, it's really not gonna vent. It's gonna be so long.
Oh no, it goes through a carbon filter anyway, straight off. So you put there is a vent there on the hull.
I would use that vent.
Yeah, it just yeah, that's it. Alright, no worries, because that will still have to go through the little filter. So we should be able to get the pipes in there.
So that is 25 litres of poop and wheat and all that stuff. And you paid how much for it?
I think I'd give Sylvan $100.
Thanks, Sylvan.
I think 100. I think he wanted 120, but that's before we become closer pals, you know.
He would do 120 and he still always tries to bargain.
The main reason why we want the tank is because it's not good form to do your business during the day whilst you're on anchor. During the day, that is.
Whilst all the people are swimming around your boat.
Yeah. I know what you've been up to, all the fish will be there. Managed to get the countertop off. Yeah. Surprisingly lasted pretty well, considering that's just countertop, you know, kitchen counter, chipboard, junk. So get this sink off, get this out, and then just the wall. Pretty quick. It's always quicker to dismantle than it is to rebuild. Marina sanding.
What does it say? 41 aft
vanity top.
Vanity top.
Yeah. Good. Alright. And the sink. Look how deep it is. It's a good sink. You could wash loads in there. Get that on, yeah. Nice. That's it for this week's adventure of Marina and Stu do boat work. Yeah. Want to say thank you to everyone that has watched and hope you've enjoyed it. Please comment, like and subscribe if you can. We would love to hear from you. We'd love to get some more thumbs up. Hey, thanks to all the Patreons that have helped us, because as you all know, we say it every week, but without you this wouldn't be possible. Would also like to thank the people with the super thanks. Thank you very much. And with the coffee and the PayPal donations. It all goes very far, and one day this here boat will hopefully be floating somewhere. Anyway, have a good weekend, enjoy your week, and we'll see you next week. Bye bye.